So hi everyone. Today we are going to see how can we spot a liar. Basically, how can we on YouTube we see everything like they are selling product, they are earning money. It is easy thing, but it's not that easy. So just for an example, let me just open one YouTube channel, and this is some guy asking like you can able to make lazy money with AI in 2026. So what he is discussing about, like he can make money online by selling digital products on Gumroad. So he explained this in this video. And if you wanted to spot a liar, basically, if what he is earning real money or just fooling people around, you just install a browser called Chrome and just go and ask Gemini here. You click on that and you put a comment like, is this video has any truth what he is saying? Is that easy? Break it down for me and check the comment also people not agreeing with him and come out with accurate correction. So when I put down all the videos, all the comment in the ask Gemini to analyze this, it gives me this answer. To answer your question directly, no, it's not as easy as he's making it sounds. While underlining business model he describes is real, the video relies heavily on guru marketing, oversimplifying the process to make it seem effortless, largely so you will buy his own product. Here is a breakdown. So Gemini given me the breakdown of the video. What he claimed: creation, hosting, marketing, and in the end what it gives me the verdict is this business model is real. Yes, people earn money with digital products, but people do make money selling digital template guides and tools. Is it lazy 1 hour week path for $2,000-3,000 a month? No. Treating it like a real business means spending 90% of your time on grueling work of marketing, building audience, driving traffic, analyzing conversion rates. The AI can help you write a PDF, but it cannot force people to open their wallets. So basically you can see how people are falling on YouTube to anyone who is starting their journey as a digital products or marketing or earning money online. So be aware of that. Don't trap into people's shoes like what this guy is doing also. So just I wanted to show you this, and keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel. I will be honest with you and I will be real, and just follow your heart. Thanks.